Hello, everyone. Good morning. And this is Nigeria, and in this part of the world, it's customary that at the very first day of every month, we would always want to greet one another with such words as Happy New Month, Happy New Month, Happy New Month, welcome to a new month, your month of this and that and that. And so, Happy New Month, everyone out there. And once again, you're welcome to CodeNet Solution. And my name is Udwak Joshua, a representative of CodeNet Solution. And this is a body and a channel where we offer web development tutorials and web design tutorials. Okay, targeting newbies, those who are new into the industries. We aim to provide these tutorials, and we aim to bring these technologies to students in a simplified form to make them follow up and catch up with trends and all that is needed of them in web development. However, we will be taking a different route. Let me use that word, okay? We will be taking a different route this month. We will be diving into something new this month and something exciting for some particular set of persons, in quotes, and being students preparing for WAEC student tutorial series. So today we're looking at computer practicals for West African examination students series. Like I said, we're changing the course shortly. We're taking a little bit deviation from web development series into computer practical series for students preparing for examination. And I'm sure you're wondering why computer practicals has been part of assessments by these examination bodies for students offering computer and probably data processing, as it were. And there is this gap between theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge, as it were. And CodeNet Solution as a body is picking up that responsibility to provide practical knowledge and tips to students out there preparing for this exam. And then that's the reason for the series. So what do you stand to learn in the series? What's your take home from the series? Okay, before we look at that, it's important we outline some of these application packages these examination bodies will always test students on, and they include word processing, the ability of students to be able to perform simple word processing tasks, and that's going to lead us into creating Microsoft Word, and then where you learn to create document format, edit documents, and write reports, and all of that. And then we also look at Microsoft Excel, where students are tested on their ability to use spreadsheet application to perform simple tasks, simple calculations, simple data analysis, and then creation of charts. And then we'll move on to Microsoft PowerPoint, where students are expected to have fundamental knowledge of presentation software, making presentation, creating presentation, okay, for audience. And then we'll look at CorelDRAW, which is a graphics design tool. So here students are also tested, can they make simple designs, simple graphical designs with CorelDRAW? And then we're also going to be looking at Microsoft Access, where students are introduced to the concept of database, managing database, creating simple database, queries, reports, and forms. These are things you get to learn in this series, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. So let's see, how will this series benefit you as a student? Fine, you get to learn how to use each of these tools with ease. Trust me. Again, it's more like do it yourself. So you're going to learn how to use this tool with ease. You're also going to understand the key concept tested in the practical exam. So what is WAEC looking out for, what is NECO looking out for, also what are you expected to know as far as those applications are concerned. These are some of the concepts you get to learn here, and then you also get tips and tricks to save time and work smarter. And I always tell students this when I teach students. I say examination is all about time. So I'm giving you a task to do with a limited amount of time. Can you deliver that task? Now, you delivering that task within the time frame, it's dependent on your knowledge of the tool. So if you know how well to use your tool, then you can deliver. And so we will be giving you tips and tricks on saving time and working smart when it comes to this examination. And then you also stand a chance of being fully equipped to handle all types of questions in your exam, be it WAEC, be it NECO. One of the goals is fully equipping you for these exams, and you don't need to be afraid. I've not been exposed to so much practical concept in my school. I don't have access to good facilities, as it were. We will equip you in the course of this series, as it were. And so what's the goal of this series? It's simple. Very, very simple. There's just one goal we have for the series. We want to make you feel confident and capable when sitting for your exam. So we want you to walk into the practical hall, the computer lab, feeling confident that whichever and whatever application WAEC, NECO decide to test you on, you are fully on whatever question is thrown at you. You know, I've seen students on day of practicals fidgeting, so at the end of the series, or by the end of the series, or towards the end of the series, or in the course of the series, as it were. So because I know there are different assimilation gap for individuals. So for some, it's going to be in the course of the series, some by the end, towards the end, as it were. So wherever and whenever, the goal is at the end of the day, by the end of the day, you will be fully equipped, fully prepared, and you're going to feel confident and capable of answering whatever questions this examination body will throw at you. Now, we believe in your success as a body, and this series is our way of helping you achieve that. And we also want you to believe in yourself. You can do it, and that's why it's more of a do-it-yourself approach, okay, as it were. I want to believe the goal, the essence of the series is clearly stated, and why we're introducing this series, as it were. So if you're ready, which I believe you are ready to take on this journey with me into learning fundamental computer practicals, okay, needed to excel in your computer studies, practical examination, data processing, practical examination. So if you are so ready, why not hit the like button, subscribe, probably share this video to friends you know around preparing for these examinations, okay? And then let them be part of this journey, and together we're gonna be ready. Together we're gonna do exploits, and then thank you so very much for your time. Once again, I remain Joshua, okay, representative of CodeNet Solution, and then I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you very much.